Hello everyone, Zain with you, and today we'll show you how to fix Roku TV not connecting to Wi-Fi. You can simply know if your Roku TV is not connected to your Wi-Fi by simply looking at the top right side, and here you can see that it is not connected. Now to fix this issue, you want to go to the settings. After you go to the settings, you want to go to network. Then after you're going to network, you want to go and choose set up connection. Then you want to go to wireless. After that, you want to choose your network. Then, of course, you want to enter the password and click on connect. Now, you need to know that you might face this issue because of two things. The first thing, because that you changed your Wi-Fi password. This is the first thing. And the second thing is that you haven't been using your Wi-Fi for a while, for a very long time. So you'll have to reconnect again. And in some cases, if you face any problem in the connection, you can simply unplug the router for 30 seconds to 1 minute, then replug it again. And if you still have the problem, you can unplug your Roku for also 30 to 1 minute, 30 seconds to 1 minute, then plug it again and see if your issue is fixed or not. And most probably, in most cases, it will be fixed. And now, how to know if you are connected? You will not see the not connected text on the top right side. In addition, that you will get this message, wireless connection, and this correct icon right here, internet connection, and this correct icon right here. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and see you in a new video.